They can't stop us.
Okay.
With our old YouTube revenue, new car.
Yeah, man.
Easy money.
Come here.
New cars.
Like this? This is our car.
See these?
Each pedal, 10,000, made by Gucci themselves.
It's a fact.
Yeah.
You see that? Hey, come here.
Yeah, zoom in real quick.
You see this fifth gear?
Yeah.
1,000 each gear.
Dang.
It's a fact.
See this light?
Yeah.
This light is LED. Doesn't even work. But Tech Philippe on this thing, dude. You already know.
See this right here? Zoom in. Zoom
Yeah,
in
yeah,
right
yeah.
quick. Every single little square,
Yeah.
a cut diamond.
Oh, dude. What is so
You wanna know how
shiny,
much
bro?
this?
Two of them,
Nah.
too?
Bring it back. You wanna know how much this is?
How much?
10,000.
10,000, dude, a piece?
That?
A pop?
10,000. You see these? 10,000.
10,000?
A piece. We have 4 of them.
A piece.
Each bar, $15,000.
15,000 bar, though?
Yes.
Each year
Dude.
premium of warranty,
How about these seats, though?
25,000.
How about these seats?
Bro,
Oh,
these
these
seats?
seats?
You don't
Yeah.
want to know.
You seats?
Dude,
Same seats you use
how
in Bentley.
spicy are these mans?
Bro,
Yeah.
you don't want to know.
Yeah.
10,000.
$10,000.
10,000.
Remember that.
10,000 seat.
Okay,
10,000 seat.
let's
know why? It's elephant leather.
Yeah,
Elephant leather,
Elephant
bro?
leather,
Yeah.
right quick.
Oh, yeah.
We
nice,
killed
bro.
4 elephants.
Oh, damn.
The padding?
Padding? Yeah, what about the padding, doggo?
Don't ask. Okay.
Alright. See y'all.
Yeah, hey, come here.
No,
Where
no,
you think
no,
you're
no,
going?
no,
Where you think
no.
you're going?
You see this clean gear?
See these
Clean
chains? See these
gear?
chains? Brand new chains.
Bro, look how spicy these are. Let me get a
Dude,
feel, dude.
See how
Spicy.
shiny these are, man?
Oh, let me
Come on,
move.
Bro,
Get
hey,
ten.
come here
Okay.
right quick. You see this clean gear?
Dude, look how
Hey, zoom
clean
in on that
that
thing,
gear
zoom
is.
in on that.
100,000.
2 times, though, real quick.
100,000 for the
100,000?
for this gear.
Dude, look at how smooth that gear
Bro,
is.
you see this
dude.
chain? You see how easy
chain?
and flexible it is right quick?
Facts. Look
Bro,
at how
that's
good
what
that
I'm
is.
saying. $1 million jet.
Dude, this thing has 2 different modes, man.
Bro, it's
Silent
And
and
turbo,
sick.
bro.
Hey,
I can
turbo,
skirt-
get out of here with that ThiccBioNation mode.
Oh, my
Hey,
God.
hey, bro, easy, man. You get that diamond,
Man,
diamond water bottle.
Diamond, bro. Diamond water bottle. Hey, I got a question, though. How much a pop?
We're going to go there, man.
Alright. Good point.
Hey.
Good point.
Bro,
11,000.
11,000?
bro, so,
the camera is
so basically we
900,000.
fired our director. He was trash. Let's get to our expensive stuff.
Bro, that's what I'm
Yeah,
saying.
these wires,
These wires.
$4.2 million.
That's a fact.
That's a huge fact.
Bro, I didn't mention this, but this right here,
Oh yeah?
50 million.
Dang.
Bro!
Bro, you hear it?
Yeah, hear him roar, dude. Bro,
Like Gucci stand.
bro, Gucci skirts, am I right?
Skirt.
This?
Bro, right quick?
Oh yeah.
It doesn't have a price.
Yeah,
It's
man.
worth too much.
Yeah.
You can't get one
Not
of these.
even Bill Gates can pay for that.
Yeah,
man.
not even Bill Gates.
Our YouTube revenue is crazy, man.
Yeah, we too rich out here.
Yeah.
Bro, FR?
10 minutes every vlog.
10 minutes
Too
every
bad
vlog.
they're all deleted.
Yeah. Too bad.
Not
And
throwing
Mr.
shade or anything, you know?
Yeah, no shade.
No shade, dude.
No shade.
No
Alright,
shit.
take her back out on the test room. My man's skirting. Hey, man. I bet. Bro, my man's... Real quick, my man's skirting. My man's speeding. ThiccBioNation, we back. Skirt.
Our new family-friendly content
Best
ain't
bet.
no joke.
Yeah.
We're making more money out here.
yeah,
New
bro.
channel.
New channel, we out here. Ooh, twice the ad revenue, bro. 6
Oh, yeah.
square right there, dude.
Yeah.
No, let's get another shot of this priceless freaking water bottle.
Oh yeah.
Look at that thick man. Woo. Alright.
In the clip right now.
Yeah,
In the clip, I bet.
Yours only 49.
Hey.
That's what I'm saying.
Ah.
That's
Hey.
what I'm saying. Co-producer makes more money. It's a fact.
Are you retarded?
Look at this trash.
Yeah, look
Hey,
at this garbage. 49 mil, dude.
know.
Garbage.
Bro,
doing
Nah,
right
we
here?
over here with the
Protect Philippe
50 mil,
diamonds
bro.
only, man.
Bro,
Bro.
No, we're not even gonna talk about the blue frame over here,
Yeah,
bro.
yeah,
My
we don't
man,
talk
bro,
about this.
50 bill, dude. 50
bill?
You wait, bro.
50 bill.
Worth more than Bill Gates' freaking net worth, bro.
It's a
we
fact.
out here. It's
Bro.
a fact.
Bro.
Wow.
You see this?
Let's not even get started on the price, dude. Let's not even get started on the price.
Yeah,
dude.
we don't talk about that.
Hey.
Hey, watch out for the truck.
Oh
bro.
crap, we're ready to die. Paint, juicy.
Bro,
At least $39 million.
Hey.
Oh,
Be
yeah,
safe.
Be safe.
Be safe, right?
bro, wear a helmet real quick, bro. You know how much a sticker costs? Platinum, 2 mil, dude. 2 mil.
Bro, my bad.
Flexi Bond Seal, doggo. You feel me?
Bro,
We
mine
out
ain't
here,
that good.
dude.
Mine ain't that good.
Bro.
No. But here, let me get this, bro. I got one question for y'all though.
Yeah.
How much do these bike cost in total?
Bruh.
First things first. Now, Michael, you go first. How much is your bike
50
cost?
trill.
50 trill, dude.
That's what I'm
50
saying.
trill.
Right
Right
quick.
on some 50 trill.
Yeah.
Dude, look at this fuego right here, dude. Alright, Kirk. Alright, let's see if we can beat that.
3 trill and $1.
Oh.
50, dude. My man's more expensive
Come
than
on.
you.
Oh. Hey, it's not even crisp.
Bro, why
Not
not?
even crisp. Hey.
Nah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's
My
what I
bad.
thought, thick man's. Alright. 50
Yeah.
trill, $1, dude. I see you. So, but my
Bro.
question is, what piece costs $1 more?
Hey.
Yeah,
We're gonna go there, man.
Nah, you lying about the dollar? Finna expose him, man?
Hey.
Nah, bro, you give
Hey,
me
zoom in right here, man.
See right here, bro?
This creased piece,
Yeah.
$1.
Good point, bro. Good point. Alright, yeah.
That's what I thought.
What you got, Michael? What you got?
What you got on me?
Bro, I don't think I showed you this. Right here.
Oh,
It's a cold
alright.
flex.
Trash.
Bro, what are you saying?
Bro, look at your trash one.
Yeah,
bro.
yours
Michael's
is
better,
AIDS.
bro.
That's what I'm
Bro,
saying.
zoom in and out action, dude.
Bro, what are you? How?
Oh, yeah. I want to hear it. How is this cancer? How
How?
is this cancer? Come on, man.
Diamonds not even real.
What are you saying?
Mine's 25 karat gold.
Nah. Alright.
We're talking diamonds out here. What are you saying?
Hey.
What is there to say?
Dude,
Hey,
what is there to say?
Hey.
Thick man.
I'm flooded. Bust down my neck, this shit custom. I bust down your bitch with my brothers. Bust it. Clarity, diamond like nuggets. Pull up on niggas like Huggies. Don't fuck with that lane cause he dud it. I'm flooded.